Alright, so what you are seeing now here is an opened PC, desktop PC, and the problem is with this one is there is no display coming from the monitor. Let me just show you that first. Let me turn on. You can see the processor is on, but there is no display coming from the monitor, and it has a graphics card which is working perfectly, and it's connected to the HDMI to that monitor over there. And let me tell you that most of the time the problem of this no display caused by the RAM, the faulty RAM, or the connection problem, and stuff like that. So first of all, you need to check the RAM first, that it's properly connected to the socket of the motherboard. And let me turn this off. Okay. Now this is the RAM. It's a 2GB DDR2 RAM, and most of the time the problem is this connection. You can see the golden line here. These are the connection on the both side, and what you need to do is you need to clean this. For cleaning this, just use an white eraser just like this, and you just need to rub the eraser on this golden line just like this. And remember that there are so many SMD parts over here, very small. Don't use much pressure, you may damage these tiny little components on the both sides. You can see that. So just rub the eraser all over the golden line very softly, the both side, and that's it. We're done. And also you can use some blowing air to the socket to clean it up, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. And now let's place the RAM to the socket. Okay, it's nicely done. Now let me turn it on again. Let's try to turn it on. And there you go, the display is there, you can see that. And now we need to just set up the BIOS a bit, and that's it. Most of the time when you have no display, the problem is with the RAM, the connection, and most of the time the connections, and sometimes the RAM may be faulty, and well, that's it. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.